Hey guys, welcome to our Acquora Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishnav, and in this video, I have come up with 4 hiring update, and all are MNC company hiring. So do not miss any single hiring. I will explain you each and everything in detail. But before that, do like this video, subscribe this channel, and also join Telegram and the WhatsApp group so that you will not miss any kind of hiring update. Now let's discuss in detail about the first hiring update, which is coming from PWC company. So PWC company has again opened the application for 26 passing out batch, and it's a kind of bulk hiring upgrade. Why I'm telling you, because I'm currently working in a PWC as a senior associate. That's why I'm telling you, company have a huge number of vacancy. They will going to hire in a bulk, and plus this is a superset hiring, so definitely company will hire in bulk. So if you are eligible, do apply for this hiring. And the last date for the application is 11th of March. Talking about the salary package, so for this whole company is offering you salary up to 3,50,000 rupees per annum. You can check out over here, and monthly salary will be approximate 29,000 rupees. Talking about the qualification for this role, so it's a kind of non-technical job. So if you have done BCom, BBA, BSc, or BA, then you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply only these degree eligible. So if you're interested, you can directly click on apply now option and complete your application. So this is your first hiring update. Move to second hiring update, which is coming from Redhat company. So Redhat company currently hiring for project management role, and it's a trainee job, means only fresher candidate eligible. Talking about the passing batch, so only two passing batch eligible. First one is 26 and second is 25. So if you belong from these two passing out batch, and if you are pursuing or completed your bachelor degree in CSIT field, AIML, or related field, then this hiring is for you. And this is a coding job, so coding is compulsory for this position. You must have knowledge about any one of the programming language. It may be C++, Java, or Python. Because if you guys shortlisted, then you have to face first round as a coding round. So if you are okay with this, just click on apply now option, complete your application. So this is a second hiring update. Move to third hiring update, which is coming for Adobe company. So Adobe company currently hiring for technical support engineer role, and it's a remote job. You can check out over here. Company has already mentioned remote Uttar Pradesh. Talking about the other details, so for this hiring, if you have done bachelor degree or master degree from CSIT branch or related field like EC, Triple EE, then this hiring is for you. You can apply for this hiring. Company has not mentioned any specific degree or branch. So if you belong from other batches or other degree, for example BC or BSc, and if you want to try, then you can go ahead. You can try to apply, and if you get shortlisted, then maybe you get a chance for interview. So this is the third hiring update. Move to the fourth hiring update, which is coming from Sopra Steria company. And currently company hiring for two different locations. First one is Noida, and second is Chennai. And for both the location, apply link is different. So whichever location you are comfortable, you have to click on that link only, and with that link you have to apply. For example, if you're interested for Noida location, so this is a Noida location link. Talking about the qualification for this role, so if you have done BTech or BE from CSIT branch and you are already passed out in 25 batch, then this hiring is for you. And company have service agreement also, which is a 3 year. So if you're okay with this, do apply for this hiring. This is a fresher hiring. The next main point is for this hiring, there is a marks criteria also. So you must have at least 70% marks in your 10th, 12th, and 60% marks in your graduation with no active backlog. So if you fulfill this criteria, just click on apply option or I am interested option and complete your application. And if you get shortlisted, then you will receive further update on your mail only regarding exam and interview. And that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.